put a smile on your face. Tell me the truth. What really makes you happy? And what makes you move? Never give up when life gets too hard. Right around the corner is a brand new start. It feels like we're riding on a roller coaster. We're getting so far, we're not getting closer. Life is all about the up and down. Take your medicine, stop fooling around. Never take yourself too seriously. Laugh with the world and live and be free. Why do more people trying to take life slow?
New Year to all of you out there. I know it's been 11 months, far too long since the last video we posted. We've been really busy this year, although it's been a very good year. We have not stopped cruising or mucking about the boat. We have done a lot of little trips on board over the last 6-8 months. Most of those have been local. We did do a bareboat charter down in the British Virgin Islands in May. It was actually supposed to take place in October of last year, but Hurricane Irma said otherwise, so it got postponed to May. We did the bareboat charter with the moorings. We had family on board with us and did about 7 days down there. Had a wonderful time. We're going to show you clips from that trip on this video, plus a lot of the other trips we've taken locally on motor vessel Aqua-Cultured, get you kind of caught up to speed on what we've been up to. Some of those clips will translate into future videos. One of such is going to be the next one. That one will be based on fire safety. Of course, that is such a major issue on a boat is fires, so we want to start off the year by giving you a good informative video on what you need to have ready on your boat to fight fires and be confident that if an issue does arise, you can take care of it without losing your vessel or a life or get injured. But I hope that one will be very informative to you and might elicit you to address what you have on board, have your fire extinguishing systems inspected, and make sure you're confident in the worst case scenario while you're out cruising. And we haven't posted a video in quite some time, mainly because we've both been working hard at our jobs. We do have day jobs. In fact, Amira is getting ready to go to work right now. It is New Year's Day, January 1st, 2019. In the year 2018, I spent about 90 nights in a hotel and logged over 60 flights for my job. So when I had downtime, I wanted to relax, not edit videos or record things. So that has been why you haven't seen us in a while. But we can't really make a commitment to how many videos we'll put out every so often. We'll just put one out when we can. I'm sorry if you would like to see them more frequently, but we do this as a hobby just for fun, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. And we will continue to post videos. We'll keep doing what we're doing, and if they happen more frequently, that's fantastic. If not, I'm sorry, but we will make an effort to post videos from time to time. But if you do want to stay up to date with what we're doing, you can check our Instagram, which is Aqua-Cultured, so aqua_cultured. You can find us there, and we post regularly about our little trips and travels and things that we're up to. And also you can communicate with us there. Might be a little bit easier to talk to us there than the YouTube channel, but we'll do our best to get to those as well. But enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy it. Happy New Year. I hope it's off to a good start for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. And we're looking forward to doing more on the boat, more traveling, and hopefully post some great stuff for you. Have a great year.
Smiles on faces. We putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces. We putting smiles on faces. Well, it's a long road and it's taking me home. Been a long day, still got a ways to go. I don't What's going around is coming around is following me. Ain't it funny how things fall in place sometimes? Your shadow follows you when the sun don't shine. Some people spend a whole life living in their head, and I say listen to your heart instead. Keep searching for a lifetime, waiting for a sign. Something gives me hope that we'll be alright. If all the girls in the world were living across the sea, what a wonderful swimmer, yes you know that I would be. In a world gone crazy, your smile has saved me. When everything changes, I know we're gonna make it. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, we putting smiles on faces. Smiles on faces, yeah, we putting smiles on faces.
It's frozen! Look at that!
Man, look how she gums this morning. You understand? But a nice smile. You smile too. And you feel good inside.
It'll feel good inside,
You're
yes.
amazing.
Thank you.
Oh, I love it.
And I'm the man with the action plan. My name is Captain Tony.
All right.
If you ever get lonely, come see me.